Linking your bank to AssemblyAI is a straightforward process that allows you to manage payments and transactions efficiently. Follow these steps to complete the linking process. Step 1. Create an AssemblyAI account. Visit the AssemblyAI website and sign up for an account if you haven't already. Fill in the required information, including your email address and password, and verify your account through the confirmation email. Step 2. Navigate to Payment Settings. Once logged in, go to your account dashboard. Look for the Payment Settings or Billing section in the menu. This is where you will manage your payment methods. Step 3. Choose to link a bank account. In the Payment Settings, find the option to link a bank account. Click on it to start the linking process. You may be prompted to select your bank from a list or enter your bank's details manually. Step 4. Enter bank details. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SR to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Confirm and save. After entering your bank details, review the information for accuracy. Once confirmed, click the Save or Link button to complete the process. You may receive a confirmation message indicating that your bank account has been successfully linked. Now you can manage your payments through AssemblyAI with your bank account linked. If you encounter any issues, refer to AssemblyAI support resources for assistance.